Okay, this is just a quick follow-up on the repair on this Bitmain L3++ miner. Running fine. Right here we can see we're running Hiveon, HiveOS. Here we can see the miner's actually processing, working. Running fine. But anyway, just wanted to follow up on this, and I'm using this really as a heater on cold days when I'm in this project room working. I need to get it up off the floor, put it over here on one of these racks. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And remember, don't be destructive. Fix, repair, create. Make the world better.